In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form using Google Drive. To get started, open Google Drive and make sure you're on the Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where you can access your files, folders, and Google Workspace tools. If you're already signed into your Google account, you should be able to jump straight into your Drive and follow along easily. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This is the section where your personal files and folders are stored, and it's the place where you'll create your new form. Selecting My Drive first helps make sure the form is created in the right location, especially if you also use shared drives or have multiple folders open. After that, move to the top left corner of the screen and click the New button. This is where Google Drive gives you options to create different kinds of files, like documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and forms. When the menu opens, you'll see several choices, so take a moment to find the one you need. Next, hover your cursor over Google Forms in the menu. You don't need to click immediately. Just placing your mouse over it will open another side menu with more specific options. This is useful because Google lets you choose the type of form you want to create, depending on your purpose. From there, click the option that fits what you want to make. You can choose blank form if you want to build a regular form from scratch, which is great for surveys, registrations, feedback forms, or collecting general information. You can choose blank quiz if you want to create something with quiz features, such as answer keys and scoring. Or, if you want a faster starting point, choose from a template to use a pre-designed layout and customize it instead of beginning with an empty form. Once you make your selection, Google Forms will open automatically and create your new file inside Google Drive. From there, you'll be ready to start editing the title, adding questions, and customizing the form to match your needs. A helpful tip is to think about your goal before choosing which option to open. If you know you'll need automatic grading, the quiz option can save time. If you want full flexibility, a blank form is usually the best choice. And if you want a polished structure right away, templates can be a great shortcut. That's how to create a form using Google Drive quickly and easily.